Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your locations to Canada on Instacart. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're from the United States and you're moving to Canada, but you want to go ahead and change your location so that Instacart works for you in Canada. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, you're going to click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. From here, you want to go ahead and click on settings on the upper hand side. Then afterwards, you want to scroll down to where it says app settings and then click on United States of America. So once you do so, you'll be able to change different countries between the United States to Canada. But keep in mind that you'll only see your items, orders, and addresses that apply to each country. So if there's a grocery store that is in the United States but is not in Canada, you will no longer see that grocery store. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your location to Canada on the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.